Hello. If you want to study the market conditions on any day, then there should be some free of cost facility. So there are so many websites, but today I am showing you some of the sources from where we can see all the database. So there is one site, way2wealth.com. This is a coffee day venture, and you can study all the markets, means commodity market, equity market, cash and future and option. All the database is very systematic there. So you can use this site for your instant study. So in case of equity market, you just click the market here. Look at this. This link, market. Then if you want to study the cash, click the equity. There are days gainer and loser. These are gainers today, these are losers today. This is the chart of Nifty, and this is the chart of Sensex. Open, high, low, previous close. This is the previous close, red line. So market opened, gap up, then it went down and then recovered, and it is maintaining in a tight range. Okay, now these are the gainers, 2 days gainers: JP Associate, Tata Steel, Bharti Airtel, Wipro, Asian Paint, Hindalco, Infosys, TLF, NTPC, Maruti Suzuki. And these are losers. So from this list, we can have a sudden idea that which sector is performing today. Now, if I want weekly gainers and losers, I can choose weekly option, and if I want to go for monthly gainers and losers, I can go for monthly option. So monthly gainers and losers. Renpex Lab, it is monthly loser. PNB, it is monthly loser. Tata Motor, it is monthly gainer. Ultratech Cement, it is monthly gainer. So if you want to invest, this is the best tool which you can use instantly. If you want the list from Nifty, then select the Nifty. If you want to take the list from Junior Nifty, you can select Junior Nifty. Okay. So it is very helpful in choosing any position, monthly position. In case of option, if you want to have a call, if you want to have a put, just buy any call from the stock which is the last loser in a month, and you can have the put of the stock which is the most top gainers from the last month. Okay, so these are gainers and losers. Now there are so many extra facilities to decide the things. This is the sector watch, mutual fund activity, FIA, foreign institutional investors activity, IPOs, charting and useful data. So the second option is equity derivative, means futures and options. So for futures and options, you don't get these data on all the sites. There are few sites which are giving such data very systematic. So go to the derivative watch. Here you are seeing the different sections: OI gainers and losers, open interest gainers and losers. What do you mean by open interest? So number of positions made in buying and selling, mean the number of total position. This is called the open interest. Open interest can be set compared to the volume in a cash market. Now active call and put, click here, you will see active call and put, active contracts, you will see all the active contracts, then top gainers and losers. So when you see top gainers and losers, so this is the method. Gainers are here. If you want to see the loser, choose loser from here. Gainers. Now gainers in stock future are given. So select the stock options. So there are Infosys, OPT STK. OPT STK means option stock. SBI OPT STK option stock. So Infosys call CE 3400 means call of 3400 strike price is running 39 rupees and it has a gain of 20% from the previous close. In SBI option stock expiry October, put strike price 1600, it is 32 rupees, the premium is 32 rupees and it gained by 2.5% from the previous close. So in this way you can see all the gainers and losers there. Then one more thing is there, put call ratio PCR. Put call ratio means if PCR is higher means puts are more and calls are less. So it is a bearish selection, and if put call ratio is lower, on the last pages you will see that 0.24, 0.03 is the put call ratio, means calls are, number of calls are very higher and number of put are very lower. So this is the way to wealth for equity derivative. Now see the useful data there. This is the useful data. In useful data you will have all the call and put with the strike price and premiums. You can make easily the combination from there. All the calls and puts are given there alphabetically. So first of all contracts, index option and stock options. Index option means Nifty, Bank Nifty, mid cap. These are the index options. Then stock options. These are the stock options. You see all the options there. Now Adani, next, Allahabad Bank, next. All the strike price are given there. You can see this. Okay. So this is the place, this is the source from where you can study the market very easily. Now commodity section is also there. We shall send you the commodity section, which we shall discuss later. But right now we are focusing on the equity only. So equity, one more thing is there. This is the market screener. What is market screener? If you want to see which stock is running between 50 to 100 rupees, select here, submit, you will get that list. अगर आपको चाहिए कि 50 से 100 रुपए के बीच में कौन कौन से शेयर चल रहे हैं, आप 50 से 100 डालिए रेंज, तो एक स्क्रीनर सामने आ जाएगा. फिर आप ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आज कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो 3% से ज़्यादा बढ़ी हुई, या गेंद के बजाय आप ये लॉस्ट कर देंगे, लॉस बाय 3%, तो वैसा स्क्रीनर, वैसी लिस्ट आपके सामने आ जाएगी. आप यहाँ चुनने में आपको आसानी मिलेगी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो आज मूव कर रही है, कौन सी चीज़ें आज गेन कर रही है स्पेशली. फिर तीसरी चीज़ है कल के क्लोज से इतने रुपए का गेन या इतने रुपए का लॉस हुआ है. अब आप जानना चाहते हैं किसने अपना बावन हफ्तों का ही तोड़ा है, तो वो चीज़ आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगी. ये इतने सारे स्टॉक्स हैं जिन्होंने अपना 52 वीक हाई साल भर का ही तोड़ा है. 52 वीक मीन्स होल ईयर. ठीक है, तो ये हमने एक साइट देखी जहाँ से हम लोग डाटा को बहुत इजीली स्टडी कर सकते हैं और अपने डिसीजंस ले सकते हैं। ओके, बाकी चीज़ें हम लोग बाद में देखते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय।